Hello friends, how are you all? I am Priyal and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video, we are going to learn how we can create a simple 3D model with the help of Solidworks. And friends, this is the drawing with the help of which we are going to create this 3D model. So let's start. Friends, for that, let's create a new file. So click on file and select new. And now friends, here select part. Friends, first we will start by creating this base. Here friends, you can see its radius is 50 and distance between these two centers is given as 100 mm. So let's get this first. Friends, for that, select top plane and sketch. Friends, here select a straight slot and create like this. Now right click, and select. Friends, this radius is given as 50 mm, means radius is given as 50 mm and diameter is 100 mm. And distance between this point and this point is given as 100 mm. And friends, its center lies on the origin. To select these 2 points and give relation coincident. See friends, now it's fully defined. Now let's extrude it. So go in the features and here select extrude workspace command. And friends, here thickness is given as 15 mm. So here select blind and thickness give 15 mm and right. Now friends, we will create a boss extrude now for this feature. See friends, for this feature. So for that friends, we will not create a new sketch. We will create the same sketch. So here friends, select sketch 1 and here select extrude both ways. But friends, we will uh, we will extrude it, but not from the sketch plane, but at an offset of 80 mm. And friends here give anchor design blind and length give 50 mm. Now friends, we will create this inclined cut. So friends, for that, select front plane and select sketch. Now friends, here let's create a line. So choose line from here and create like this, from this edge to this edge. And friends, distance of this point from this point is given as 10 mm. An angle between this line and this base is given as 10 mm. Now friends, let's create our cut. So for that, go in the features and here select extruded cut. Here friends, see, here select through all both. And here you can see direction is going in the downward direction. So here flip the direction. Because we want to make the cut in the upward direction. We want to remove all this material. So now simply click OK and friends, see, our cut has been created. Now friends, it's time to create friends this feature. This thin feature and after that this feature. So friends, for creating thin features, simply select this plane and select sketch. And now friends, here click on offset entities and friends select this face. And here friends, give direction reverse. And now right. Now friends, let's create a extruded cut. For that, go in the extruded workspace, extruded cut, and here friends, see, give end condition up to next. Now right. See friends. Now our cut has been created. Now friends, we will create this feature. So for that friends, select this plane and sketch. Here friends, again select straight slot, and here friends create a slot like this. Friends, this radius is given as 25 mm and distance between this point and this point is given as 100 mm. See friends. And friends, this arc is concentric to this arc. So select both these arcs and give reason concentric. See friends. Now friends, let's create this feature. So for that, here create a line like this. And here also create a line. Now right click select. Friends, give this line relation vertical, constant vertical. And this line is parallel to this line. And distance between these two lines is given as 25 mm. Similarly, here also give distance 25 mm. Now friends, it is time to extrude. So for that, simply select extrude boss base. And friends, here give thickness of 10 mm. And here in selected contours, select this, this, and this in the opposite direction, and thickness is 10 mm. Now simply click OK. See friends. Now friends, we will create these two holes. So for that, select this sketch, select this plane and select sketch. And here create two holes of radius 15 mm. So radius of both these circles is equal, so give relation equal. And this circle is concentric with this arc, so give relation concentric. Select this and give relation concentric. And friends, select this point, this origin point and this point, and give relation horizontal. And friends, its radius is 15 mm, means its diameter is 30 mm. Now friends, to create the holes, click on extruded cut, and friends, here select through all both. Now right. See friends. Now friends, let's create this feature. These two rib-like structure. So for that, select this plane. First friends, let's select this. Now friends, select this face and make a normal too. And select sketch. Now friends, let's create those two lines. Two ribs. So for that, first create a line like this, then like this, then like this, and then like this. And friends, give relation parallel because both these lines are parallel. And friends, distance between this point and this point is given as 25 mm. Now friends, let's extrude it. So click on the features and here select extruded boss face. Now friends, here flip the direction of extrude, and our extrude length is 10 mm and end condition is blind. Now simply click OK. Now friends, let's create the same feature on the opposite side also. So select this face and sketch. Now friends, select line, start creating from here, like this and like this. Friends, select this line and this point and make relation coincident. And friends, these two lines are parallel to each other. To give relation coincident, are parallel, and distance between this point and this point is given as 25 mm. And now friends, here let's extrude it, and here give end condition blind. Extrude length give friends 10 mm, and it is extruding, and it will extrude in the opposite direction like this, and simply click OK. Now friends, see, our 3D model has been created. Now it's time to give some material to it. So for that friends, here click on appearances, and here friends you can select any material of your choice. So here I am selecting solid, and I am selecting here blue color. See friends, it's looking quite nice. If you want, we can give some different color to our cuts. So for that, let's create these cuts and this face. And now let's give it some different color. Now friends, here I am giving white color. See friends. So friends, did you understand how to create a 3D model like this with the help of Solidworks? So friends, if you have understand it well, then please subscribe to my channel to keep watching such kind of tutorials and supporting me. And also you can share it with your friends so that they can also be benefited by such kind of tutorials. Thank you for watching my video, and keep watching, keep learning.